The 2017-2018 Moto Guzzi V7 racer. Moto Guzzi marks the 50th anniversary of its V7 model family and its racing roots with the race-tastic, limited-run V7 racer. This third-generation model brings a distinct café racer vibe to the table along with modern comfort and performance for what the factory hopes is a bike that is more pleasure to own and ride. Did they succeed? Well, the jury is still out on that, but the 52-horsepower engine, fully adjustable rear shocks and pillion pad hidden under the tail fairings certainly bode well for the racer. Guzzi boosted the power this year, and it also updated the visuals and slimmed the bodywork down for more appeal. Traction control provides some contact patch protection, but that seems to be the fanciest gadget the racer has to offer. Join me while I dive into Guzzi's new tribute piece to see what makes it tick. Continue reading for my review of the Moto Guzzi V7 racer. Design.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.